Brady. Wow, what are they playing? The alien game? Astro Invasion. Do it, Skylar. Get the ball. Ainsley's got the ball. Alright, get it. Hurry up, get it, Skylar. She didn't like the alien. Come on, Ainsley. Like that? We're all having fun. What you doing, Dak? Do it, Skylar. Go, Skylar. Addie, look what game they got. Nice job. Get your tickets, Skylar. Skylar, go get your tickets. Addie's going to get them. Go get those tickets.